How do I get this reminder to go away? The filter has been replaced. I have to somehow reset this in the system. Okay, so I just worked out how to find Fridge Manager on my Family Hub. You need to find this page, go into Apps. Then we need to go into Fridge Manager. Then I need to stop the reminder from coming up for my filter, the water filter that I just replaced. Okay, so the filter needs replacement. We've already done this, and you can get the tutorial and everything on how to do this. We've shown you this earlier. So now I'm going to reset this so I get another reminder in 6 months' time. The last install date will be reset to today's date. Proceed.